Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is essential because casting uses local network streams. On your laptop, enable the receiving mode, Windows Action Center, Connect or Mac OS AirPlay receiver if supported. On the phone, open the cast or screen mirroring setting, grant necessary permissions for discovery. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is off unless required, because it can interfere. You're initiating a local peer connection rather than sending data over. You now begin the cast. Open the app or system cast control on the phone and scan the available devices. Choose your laptop's name. You might see a prompt on the laptop to accept the connection. Approve it. Make sure to select mirror or extend mode depending on whether you want a duplicate screen or a second display. If options appear, set resolution and audio routing to optimize performance. Once the session starts, test motion and sound to verify latency and sync are acceptable. You finish by stopping the cast from either device when done, which cleanly ends the session and frees resources. If it fails to connect, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and try again. Sometimes toggling airplane mode for a few seconds clears stale network states. If latency or quality is poor, switch to a wired USB connection or a dedicated mirroring app that compresses differently. Finally, make sure firewall or privacy settings on the laptop aren't blocking incoming cast requests. Adjust and retry to complete the connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.